So I thought I'd share this amazing recipe because I am one who's particular about what I eat and how healthy what I eat is. So this is bananas, eggs, and this is oat flour, and I'm gonna be making something I usually make for my family and they enjoy it. So the last one is butter. This is butter. So in goes my banana. I peel my bananas. Remember, I'm using just 3 pieces and I'm gonna mash them just like this. These are just simple and easy things you always get around you. So I'm going to be adding eggs, 3 eggs particularly. So in goes my melted butter, and I give a quick stir to make sure all ingredients are properly mixed. So I set that aside and I get my oats flour. Remember, I told you I'm gonna be using stuffs that are healthy for me and my family. So I add baking soda and then salt, cinnamon, and stir them just to mix them together. After that, I'm gonna add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients just like this. So I'm gonna stir this, and this is the outcome ready to be baked. So I'm going to be using my air fryer, and then because I don't want to use pan for this, I'm gonna use my brown paper so that my batter doesn't stick to my pan. And this, when that is done, I'm gonna make some toppings with chia seeds and little groundnuts. After baking for 25 minutes, this is the outcome. So I need to run a quick check to see if it's properly cooked, properly baked, and now that the toothpick is out, all looking clean, it is ready. This is one recipe to try, especially if you are conscious of eating healthy, you want something healthy to snack on. You should try this. The outcome is so delicious, so healthy. It is worth it. So I'm just gonna have to portion this to members of my family, and we're gonna enjoy the goodness and benefit of this. So at this point, I don't know what to call this, cookie or bread, or I don't know, but this tastes really great and really nice. Alright, I'll be seeing you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.